Alright, we're at the Continental office Plaza in Bloomingdale, Illinois, and look at this. We got some old CJ Anderson elevator to ride. I don't know what brand. I think this is an automatic. Here we go. Take one more run and look at the panel. A nice but a little outdated elevator cab. The phone's not too exciting, it's just your 88 phone. I don't know what brand this is. I think this is automatic. But they were saying this is an MEI, but I don't think MEI ever used CJ Anderson. I think they've used innovation for a long time. I don't think they use any innovation, but just let me know in the comments what brand this is. I know the fact that this is like a CJ, this has CJ Anderson buttons. Anyhow, I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm probably gonna look for more elevators in this property. I'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.